Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. See how Crystal, Roxy, Double Chris and Presh David have been keeping their love. It seems some of the love couples are currently enjoying every moment of their relationship. Recall that the Ultimate Love reality show season 1 came to an end last week. Rosie and Kachi together called Roxy emerged winners of the show, taking home ₦5 million, a home and a traditional wedding. Apparently, the two have decided to change their name, now called Roc Nation. Double Chris also have been spotted together. Recall Chris found love in the late hour after she initially had no man to pair with. Then Uche was brought in and he decided to check out, insisting he couldn't be with Chris. Later, Chris V was introduced and things turned around for good for Chris. They moved from strangers to friends and we can see how they've grown. They've remained together after the show and they keep serving us couple gold. Crystal are still pulling the strings, despite being criticized for refusing to go home but stay with Ike. Teresa isn't letting her guard down. David has continued to show to the world he has no regrets over selecting Presh Tucker. Recall that David broke Rosie's heart and went for Presh while the housemates were selecting their partners. David shared a picture and wrote "Bonjour tout le monde, Presh David Ranger." Alright guys, this is how your favorite couples are doing. I hope you're following them on all social media platforms. Alright, stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more updates from your ultimate love favorite couples.